Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional personal portfolio website without writing a single line of code with the use of artificial intelligence. The tool that we're going to be using today is called lovable.dev. To get started, navigate on your browser, navigate to lovable.dev. That is the name of the website, or just click on the link in the description of the video. Once you are there, click on get started. If this is your first time of visiting Lovable, just click on get started. You can sign in with Google. You can sign in with GitHub in case you have a GitHub account, or you can just continue with your email. To continue with your email, it will ask you to write your email, then you create a password. But I prefer to use my Google account so that I don't have so many email and websites to cram. So I'm just going to click on it. It's easier that way, but whichever method you want to use is also very okay. To save time, I'm just going to paste the prompt that I want to use, and I will read it out to you. So the prompt says, create a modern, stylish personal portfolio website for Dami Brooke, a creative web developer and designer. The design should have a sleek black background with glowing neon purple and pink accent to highlight the important text. The homepage should feature a hero section with professional photo of Dami in the center, with the text on the left. So we want the text on the left that will say, "Hello, I am Dami Brooke." Bold white with "Hello, I am" in pink. On the right side, we should have creative developer and designer in bold gradient pink purple. Include top navigation bar with the following links: about me, project, contact. On the left sidebar, add vertical social media icons, which is GitHub, LinkedIn, Dribble, email. The site should have a smooth animation and over effects with glowing highlights. Sections to include. So I just wrote the sections to include. I'm going to add this particular prompt that I have written. I'm going to add it to the description of this video so that you can just copy and use it, and then you can edit it. Instead of this Dami Brooke, you can write your own name. So I'm going to just click this enter button so that it can start with my website. So lovable.dev allows you to use 5 prompts per day. That is to say, you can use 5 prompts per day for the free version, and when your free version is over, you can pay $25 per month or $21 per month. If you are paying annually, you save $50. You save $50. Lovable has a lot of features that makes development of websites very, very easy. So lovable.dev is already doing its thing. It said I will create a modern portfolio website for Dami Brooke with futuristic background neon site. So it's doing the thing. So look at it. If you look here, after a while you will see the code that the lovable.dev is generating. But let's go back to the preview session. So inside it's generating the navigation bar. It's just writing it. So it had to think about the project, and then it wrote all the things that we need to do. And it's already writing the code. Should be writing the code now. Then look at it. That's using the index, the social media sidebar, the component. The code should be there, but I don't know why it's not showing today. And you can say hide it all, and we'll go back to the preview. We're waiting for the preview. So I'm just going to pause the video, and then we'll come back when the website is ready. All right, so this is completed now. Lovable has completed the website, and on the first try is already looking very, very so let's check out and it's also responsive, very responsive. So look at it. It's very responsive. But we can still make some edit to it. So the first way to edit it is to come here and edit. I want to start with this. I don't want this. I know when I'm scrolling, it stays static, but I don't want it to show on the hero section. I want it to be below the hero section. So I will say move this below the hero section. So it's saying I will move the social sidebar below the hero section by removing the fixed position and relocating it in the layout. Although I want it to remain fixed, but let's look at it. It's like, okay, it's here already. I wanted it to remain fixed on the position, but let's work on this first. I will go back to that later. So this one, I wanted to add a typing animation to developer and designer and add other services. So if you are the owner, just write name of your services and add other related services. For you just have to write your own services. So it's going to add a typing animation. Meanwhile, while it's doing that, let's look at other things that we want it to remove. So like I said, this one, I will still want it to be on the sidebar, but this time around, it should start from somewhere here. So the typing animation is already there. It's typing. Can you see? And I think he's doing a very good job. He's doing a very good job. We have used about, I think, 3. We have just 2 credits left. So you have just 5 credits per day. So if you are doing your website and your credit gets finished, you can actually come back the next day to finish it up. So I think the next thing I would do is to ensure that this one stays on the side and stays stays static. So I'm going to click this. Then I'll say move it to the side and make it static. Okay. So I'm just going to be looking at it while it's doing the job to see the other things I'm going to do. So now it's on the side, though it's still showing from the first page, but just leave it at that. So what we can also do, let me show you other things that we can do. Let's say you want to edit the word dummy broke to something else. Maybe you want to call it dummy stone, for example. You can just click on it and type with your laptop, your keyboard, the word that you want. So once I am done, I'll click on save. It saves and it's there. So that's the way you can actually edit the text. So when if I want to edit this one, for example, I'll come here again. I can come here and type all my experiences. I am an expert. I just delete it and then I write what I want. Front-end developer. You do the same thing here and then you can all do that. So once you are done, you can also add the images. You can tell it to help you add the images. You can also do some advanced CSS if you know how to do CSS. But for you can go to code. But to edit this code, you will need to have an upgraded plan. You need to upgrade to the paid plan to be able to do it. But because we are not using the paid plan in this tutorial, we are just going to be limited to using our 5 credits. Our credit is almost finished. If we need to do more edits, what we will do is wait till the next day to do our edit. Another thing you can do is to change color. Let's say I want to change the color of this creative. So I can come here and say edit, and this I could come and the color I could change it to something like is it white, or let's see if it does not change. So you see, as I am scrolling through, the font size is actually changing, and you can also align the text to the middle. You see, you can do a lot of things with this. Once you are done the same way you did it, you make it, you tell it to save, and then you can use it to be extra bold if you want. There are other advanced options that you can also use. So, all right, and if you want to change it from creative, you can also use this to change it to something else. So once you are done with that, you just click on save and you are done. All right, so this is our website for now. So let's look at it again. This is the mobile, the tab version, and then this is the mobile version, and it's looking all good. So see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.